What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're doing a product review from this company called Torc. It's the T-28 module helmet. I saw it at Harley Davidson in Jacksonville when I was doing my tuner, and I decided to go online and check it out. Very, very affordable module helmet. It only weighs, I believe, 5 pounds or 4 pounds. I believe it's 5 pounds, I think they said. And very, very good. They have different types of visors, chrome, black, dark smoke, all types of clear. I think it comes with a clear, but you could get it in different size and different colors and stuff. So I'm gonna do the open box now and show you guys how it looks. Okay, guys, this is the box it came in with the bubble wrap as well. Really, I love these things. Check it out. Stress relief. It says, thank you for your order. Please read this first. So some safety stuff, returning stuff, warranty claims. I believe it does 1 year warranty of purchase, 90 days for electronics. So this does come in with a Bluetooth as well. I think only you can hear like music and stuff like that, not for a microphone. But I chose not to get the Bluetooth because it was a lot more, so I didn't really go with it. So this is the box. Inside. It does come with a catalog that has, I believe is all the products that they carry. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Check it out. I'm gonna skim through it real quick so you guys could see what kind of stuff they have. They have gloves, helmets, jackets, goggles, you name it, they have it. I'm not sponsored by this company. I just looked it up at Harley over there, and this is actually the T15. It has like a longer thing right here, but I didn't get that. I got the T28, which is right here. T28 module. They have one that's a gray with the stars, but I chose the one that has the really light gray, so you can't see the stars too much. See that? Really nice. All right, so you get one of these to check it out. Put this to the side. This is the box that it comes in. All the information on it: T28 Torc helmet, module, T28 sport module, finished gloss black with the graphic. It's called the Dark Star. I got a 2X because I have a big head. My head is about 24 and 3/8 or something like that in inches. So make sure you measure your head, guys, before you buy this. All right, so let's open it up. Like I said, it comes again with the bag so you could travel with it. So let's loosen it up. It's like Christmas opening stuff. I currently have right now, I use my module helmet that I use is a Simpson module helmet. Those things are like $500 a pop. And then you have to buy the visor, which is another $80 or so. So we're looking at almost $600 with tax and stuff. So this module helmet that I'm going to show you guys is very affordable. I believe it's $175 plus tax. It came out to like $193 or something like that. So just go on their website and you can get it. Lighter helmet than the Simpson. Off the bat, real nice. I love the way it looked. I saw this in Harley Davidson dealership the other day. You have the T symbol right there, their logo. You have the air vent on the top and air vent on the bottom here as well. To lift it up, it comes with the visor as well. You can put it up and you can put it down, all the way, up, down. Real sleek looking, not heavy at all. Under 5 pounds, I believe it's 5 pounds exactly. Most importantly, this has the DOT certification, number 218, Torc T28. Got the T in the back there. It's got the light gray stars there. Oh, and the most important part, the module. So you gotta do is just, this is the button right here. It lifts right there. Really, I love module helmets. This is optional. You can actually take this off if you want. I normally do take it off because I don't like nothing hitting my chin. And these lens are anti-fog as well. You don't have to buy that pin that they usually do have it with Simpson. So and I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I did get this visor in chrome. I do like the chrome look, so I decided to get it. These go for about $39.99, which is very affordable. And then you get the chrome look. Like I said, they do make them in different colors. I'm gonna install it so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is the chrome version of the visor. Looks really cool. Again, module, chrome version. See how it looks? Real nice. Side views. You could actually connect the GoPro here, but I don't think I'm gonna be using this for the GoPro motovlog. I'm gonna keep using my Simpson one. So this I'm gonna keep clean so when I don't have to use it. That's for the visor, the inside. Padding, very nice, very soft, very good. It's not too tight because like I said, I tried it on in Harley over there. So we're gonna do a fitting test right now. All right, sorry for the burnt face. I was just in Daytona, actually yesterday, and I got burnt, so don't mind that. So we're gonna lift up the module. We're gonna put it on. It's got the buckle here, unloosen it. We're gonna take out actually, don't take the tag off until you're for surely sure that this is gonna fit you, because then you could return it. You got 90 days to return it if you leave the tag on. All right. Like I said, this one does have, so you could put your, the earplugs for your Senna if you want, but these do come, like I said, in a Bluetooth version right here. All right, so there we go. Wow, it fits really good. Like I said, I have a pretty big head and I have a pretty round face. So we're gonna close this up. Like every helmet, you do have to break it in and see how it goes. I'm gonna show you guys. Chrome version. Module. Fits good. Visor up. This is what I like about this one, that it actually covers up to your nose. With the Simpson, I can still see my mouth. That's how big the hole is, because the visor is a lot bigger. You actually, and this one you could actually see side to side, so you're good. I'm gonna show you guys the visor that goes down. Press it here, and there you go. Up and down. Let's put the module back on. So it looks like that. Woo! So we don't want to use this with the visor. You got to actually take that off. And then you actually can see pretty clear. I know we're in the kitchen, but you know, it's not as dark as the Simpson one. So pretty good. Oh, and this one actually is the first review on the T-28, Torc T-28 on YouTube. So when anybody wants to search up T-28 module helmet, this one will pop up, because this is actually I think there's only one person that did it, this girl, but she did it like, okay, she didn't really explain it too much. She was just, you know, doing her thing, but This one is more in review and set how it's gonna look. So, there you go. I think the T15 actually, it's more a pointier, like down here, it's pointier. I didn't really like that, I wanted to right here. So this is the part that goes right here that you could see the chin protected, but I'm not a fan of that. I'm gonna take it out because it hits my chin. I don't like nothing touching my chin. All right, there you have it, guys. Module helmet comes right off. All right, there you have it, guys. T-28 from Torc. Very budgeable. You can actually buy it on their website. You can buy it on eBay. And I got it within a couple days. Very affordable. I'm gonna leave the description below of the website so you guys can check it out. All right. Thank you guys for watching. T-28 Torc module helmet, Dark Star. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out.